Watch this video and learn how to draw a hot air balloon. Later on, Artie's friends Zip and Bob call in. And watch to the end for a shape break from Louie. Is everybody ready? Okay, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello.
You look to be in a good mood.
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
Oh, good. Should we make some art?
Okay.
Oh, good.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
What a fantastic day it is! I'm so happy you are all here.
We're excited to see you.
Ready?
Remember we saw a hot air balloon?
Yeah.
Let's draw one.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's do it.
I can't wait. Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Let's start by drawing the outside of the balloon. A big curved line on the left, and then a sort of smaller curved line on the top. Perhaps later, Artie, we can look up hot air balloons on YouTube.
Oh, yes, please. Wow, yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, we'll do that after we finish the drawing.
Excited.
Now let's finish the right side. Remember, we're making a sort of teardrop shape, not a perfect circle. If Artie's going a little bit too quick, here's a message from Barry Tone.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Well, I don't know about that, Barry, but thank you nonetheless. Okay, Artie, now we've got the main part of our balloon already drawn. Let's draw some curved lines inside.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
These curved lines inside our balloon shape really help define the shape, make it really seem three-dimensional. Do you see, Artie, how it's starting to really feel like a round shape?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
These are actually called contour lines, and they give a shape contour, which really is a fancy way of saying it feels very round and three-dimensional, like it's really popping off the page.
Oh, wow.
It's looking great, Artie.
Hi, Artie. Oh, wow. That drawing, it's music to my eyes. Makes me want to sing. Bye.
Thanks, Barry. We really didn't need another song at that point, but thank you. Now, Artie, we're going to draw lots of little curved lines connecting all those contour lines that we drew earlier.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Thank you.
Wow, Artie, Bunny's always so complimentary. I think she's a bit of a fan of yours, you know.
No.
I think she is. Great job, Artie.
Oh, I wonder who it is. It's a felt time. Who could it be?
Hey!
Hi, greetings, Artie. We're calling from Earth.
Yeah! Zip and I, we need to report back to our planet about your show.
Hi, Zip. Hi, Bob. What's up?
Oh, we want to let them know that your show is full of amazing Earth art. Oh, like when you drew that happy moon, it
Yeah, and the rain cloud dance break. We tried it on our ship, but the rain part didn't work. No water in space.
Oh, that's okay, guys. You can use your imagination, like I do when I draw.
Oh, hey, Artie, can you show us just one thing that we can share with our non-Earth friends? Like something easy to try?
Sure. How about drawing a star? Just draw a triangle on the top, a triangle on the bottom, 2 triangles on the sides, and connect them together.
Oh! Wow! Triangle, triangle, ta-da! Zip, 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 zip. We're gonna be space famous for this! Yay!
Wow, thanks so much, Artie. Your art is going to shine all over the galaxy.
Thanks, Zip and Bob. Let me know if any of your alien friends send back any art too.
Oh, we will!
We will.
Bye,
Artie, thank you.
Bye, Zip and Bob. Bye.
That sure was a great felt time.
Yeah.
That's right, Barry. How nice of them to call, Artie. Anyway, let's carry on with the drawing. Just a few more little curved lines on the balloon, just to complete the pattern. That's it, Artie. Just a few more. Keep watching, because coming up, it's a Louis shape break. Now it's time to draw the basket that hangs below the balloon. 2 horizontal lines.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Then another horizontal line at the bottom, an angled line up, and a little tiny half circle. Now do the same on the right side, Artie. That's it. What's that music? What? Oh no.
Painty. Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty, you've made a big mess. There's yellow paint everywhere. Ugh. Oh, that's looking good, Artie. It looks a little bit like a giant light bulb. I like the way you're drawing the ropes that connect the basket to the balloon. That's really good, Artie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't wait to see how you colour this one in. Oh, maybe you should draw some lines inside the basket to make it look like a basket's weave.
Hello, Artie!
Hi, Bunny.
I'm ready for some fun.
Oh, good. Me too.
Oh, I love that drawing.
Oh, thank you.
It looks so lifelike. You're very talented. Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Bye.
Ah, that was nice of Bunny Fluffington to come and visit you, Artie.
Yeah.
Oh yes, that's really starting to look like a basket now, Artie.
Oh, can we have a shape break?
You'd like a shape break?
Yeah.
That's a great idea. Why not?
Oh,
Let's
thank
have a
you.
shape break.
Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the shape break. My name's Louis, and I'm going to teach you about this shape here. Can you tell what it is? That's right, it's a star shape. Well, a star is a very complicated shape. Actually, it has a lot of sides. Did you know that? We're going to count them together. Are you ready? We'll start here. So, that's one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides to a star. My goodness, amazing. Well, let's think. So, what can we see that shape in? Well, there are starfish in the ocean. Did you know that? They're star-shaped little starfish. And there is some fruit also called star fruit, which is also star-shaped. But my favorite shaped star shape of all is, well, an actual star in the night sky. I love to look at them. They're so pretty. Anyway, where do stars get their coffee from? That's right, Starbucks. Starbucks. Oh, my goodness. What do stars say when they apologize to one another? They say, I'm really starry. Get it? Starry. Not sorry. Stop. Okay, we'll try one last one. What kind of stars walk on red carpets? Well, movie stars, of course.
Thank you, Louie. That was a very good shape break. Artie learned a
It
lot.
was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Just a little bit more detail to add here and there.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy.
Perhaps a few more little curves. I can tell you're really enjoying this drawing, Artie. You're really taking your time and having fun.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Ah, I like it when you're happy, Artie. Let's add a few cloud shapes just behind the balloon. There's one.
I am so impressed by that.
Let's draw a second one just below, just peeking out from behind the balloon. Did you know, Artie, hot air balloons were invented in France? Do you know where France is, Artie?
No.
Well, France is a country in Europe. We'll look it up on a map later.
I finished.
It looks great, Artie.
Yeah.
Now what?
I want to color it in.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Let's get to colouring.
Okay. Yeah.
Color it in, color it in, color, color, color it in.
It looks great, Artie. Amazing colours.
Oh, yeah, the colors look so nice.
They really are. You must be very proud.
Artie's very proud. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Bye, Artie!
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.